There's a ribbon.
We got to a wall.
Hey Sarah, we got you a gift.
Hey, now you can
It's too big for her to build a bed for herself out of.
Alright. Instructions.
Are they actually in English?
Yeah. Alright. A to B, B to C, C to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to A, D to 4, and then F is in there somewhere. I've misplaced my E. That's it. 1 page of instructions. 4 steps. Seriously, there is no E. We have A, B, C, F. Where's E? Anyway. Now the ribbon is was supposed to be attached. There's a sticker on the side of the box, I believe on that end. This was actually supposed to be stuck to that sticker on the outside of the box.
It wasn't.
It was not, which is fine. It got here. Alright. So this is the pocket on the side. I don't see us needing to open it right now. We'll toss it aside.
No.
Alright.
Please don't make snow again.
Oh,
Yeah.
come
Hey,
on.
Rebecca, don't make snow.
We were like, I don't remember, but we were young. And it was fun.
1, 3, and 5. They were 1, 3, and 5 when they turned a piece of styrofoam into snow.
So that's A, that's our side panel.
A.
D is the other side.
Still remember cleaning it up.
Oh, you did it at this house too. You were older than 1, 3, and 5, but I don't remember.
These are B and C. Though I don't see a specific difference between them. We have this U. This is the F piece, I think.
It looks more like an X. Careful on the hardwood.
I think we ordered a desk and a pair of scissors.
I believe those go in the back between the two legs and the top part for the support. And this is the top itself.
Well, I mean, if we're going to do the frames first, we could just leave it in the box.
I want to get the box out of here.
Oh, gotcha.
I am going to leave the corner protectors on for the time being.
Piece G. Still no E. Maybe the pocket is piece E.
No, it's H. Okay. Like this. Can you reach those two styrofoam over there? And just stick them back in the box. I'm going to walk the box into the living room.
These are like, it's too light. Well, maybe the manufacturers made a mistake.
Is E the tool?
No, the tool is 3. So we have 1 3, 11 1s, and 12 2s.
Yes, this is why you learn the alphabet before you go into a workforce.
One dash, 2 dash. These are my 1s, these are my 2s. Because they've got it labeled on the front. And I can't see the front.
Do you think these are good enough for the hardwood, or do we need to put furniture movers on them? Okay.
It's not like we're putting like 200 pounds worth of stuff on this desk.
Please don't put 200 pounds worth of stuff on your desk.
God, tell my siblings not to sit on it.
None of them weigh even close to 200 pounds.
No, but if Madeline's gonna sit on it, you know Izzy's gonna sit on it, and I think Madeline's like...
Okay, don't let anybody use it as a place to take a nap.
Well, they shouldn't be sitting on it either, so. Alright, next it wants us to attach the hook and bag.
Are we still putting the hook on it?
Yeah.
Could she still use the hook to put like a lightweight bag on? Emphasis on lightweight.
Here on the
Can I
side.
steal this for a minute? Because I just now noticed something.
You're so under this.
That's pretty close. Considering this dresser's... We bought these in 2020. So they match pretty close.
I think ideally we want to like work this through the fabric and the piece of material that's on the inside. Get enough through to where it'll catch. and the floor while we were building it. But we're done with those now.